Many modern stereos like the Sony XAV-AX line are being designed without AV inputs, making it increasingly difficult to screen mirror or display other sources on your screen. For AV inputs, these stereos have only a backup camera input. What if I told you you could wire both a backup camera and screen mirror your smartphone to a single RCA backup camera input, or an RCA AV input, and switch between both as sources? Would you believe me? Well, you better, because that's completely possible with the Beuler AVS210 Smart RCA Video Switcher. The unique feature about this switcher, besides its two video inputs, is its minimal design and installation is super simple. The switcher is designed with a master video input, which will be our backup camera, and a slave input, which we will connect to the video output on our Beuler BU-HDMIV smartphone mirroring adapter. Our remaining connector is the video output, which we will connect to either the backup camera input or RCA video input on your stereo. Connect the ground and accessory power wires in parallel to your existing stereo wiring harness. This switcher can also be used to add extra cameras to your system, so you can have access to two cameras by utilizing just a single backup camera input. Our Beuler smartphone mirroring adapters have an HDMI input to connect to your smartphone. Visit the links in the bio for both iPhone, USB-C, and micro USB Android devices. One thing to take into account is that you must be able to stream Bluetooth audio while the camera input is active. This is something that you can easily test on your own without the switcher. Play some music via Bluetooth while manually selecting your backup camera. If this works, you have the capability to use this switcher. Once everything is connected, go into the backup camera source. The master input has priority. As long as there's a video signal, this input will be displayed. By cutting power to the camera, the source will automatically switch to the slave video input, which in this case is our smartphone mirroring adapter. This means the phone source will be on the screen at all times while driving or in park until you put the car in reverse. By putting the vehicle in reverse, sends power to the camera and that source takes over. If you have any questions about the AVS210, leave them below. Subscribe to our other quick tips tech channel, QMV Fast Tech, and get your video switcher with us today at qualitymobilevideo.com. Thanks for watching.